Hi there, so I bought something new from IKEA. It's a HAVBÄCK and I gotta say I'm pretty impressed. This is why I really like IKEA furniture. Well, look at this. So we've got this fine piece. Let's do this here. This fine thing. And why I'm so impressed is when you're not that extremely precise with drilling the holes into the wall, you get this, not hinge, but where you can hang it on. You drill it to the wall and then look at this. This impressed me the most. First of all, when you're in it, it's completely hidden. So this thing will go against the wall. Second, you can move it, slide it to the left and right. So you've got a little bit of room to wiggle it to the left or to the right if you need a few centimeters to each of the side. And the best part, what I've seen, is this one here, this hidden thing. You see it? It's Allen key, I guess. With this you can adjust the height. This is so awesome. If it's a little bit crooked, you can then adjust it, even if it's hanging. This is the most best part. Even if it's hanging already on the wall, you can adjust it with the Allen key. And there we go. Man, I'm so I gotta say I'm really happy. This is the thing. It hangs now, sturdy, everything's cool. Another one on the bottom, another one left in the middle of both, and we're done. And it's awesome because I just had to adjust it here in the back. I don't know if you can see it, but with this key, I got behind it. Yes, it was a little bit fringly, but you can handle it. You will feel it when it pops, and then you turn it a little bit, and now everything is level. I had it here to check it. Okay, I could adjust it a little bit more even, but that's a fine part. I can now just loosen this up here, go behind it, turn it, and it will be level. And everything's fine. That's so awesome. Okay, gotta demonstrate it to you. You've seen it, it's not 100% perfect. Now I'll try to find it. When you feel that you're falling inside, that's wrong. It's more like there's something. All right, and now which way was it? This one? Yes. It's clockwise, counterclockwise. You'll figure it out because you can see it if the bubble is moving, and it moved. You can see I'm turning it, and it's slowly moving. Really slowly. I'm sorry, but it's kind of a weird position for me to have everything in hand, but this should be it now. This, I think I'll leave it like that. Now let's get it out and finish this up. Okay. Still everything's fine. Awesome.